हेलो एंड वेलकम अगेन टू आवर चैनल, जहां हम आपके साथ शेयर करते हैं अपनी ट्रैवल जर्नीज और अपने लाइफ से रिलेटेड कुछ वीडियोस। इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू आवर चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड जॉइन अस इन आवर ट्रैवल जर्नीज। वेल, जैसा कि आपने हमारे पिछले कुछ वीडियोस में हमारी मॉरिशियन जर्नी देखी, तो आज हम अपने मॉरिशियन सीरीज का लास्ट वीडियो लेकर आए हैं। लास्ट तो है, लेकिन मेरा फेवरेट भी है। I love haul videos. Every lady loves to shop, and I'm sure you'll agree with me. As there is not much to shop from Mauritius, but अपनी परंपरा को कायम रखते हुए हम यहाँ भी नहीं रुके. But before we jump into the haul video, let me give you a slight sneak peek into an island known as Mauritius. Well, if you didn't know earlier, let me tell you that Mauritius is a major exporter of sugarcane in the world. And why I am telling you this is because you get a lot of local made sugarcane rum and other fruit rum which we bought from here. So that's a part of our haul. Surprisingly, we saw a lot of flavored rums available here which we have never seen before. We went to a shop selling these rums, and the best part is that they were very generous enough to allow us to taste all the possible flavored rums free of cost. So all of us bought a lot of rum from the shop, but by the time we came out of that shop, we realized we had gone a little tipsy by just tasting. Just to show you a sample, we bought this flavored rum, and the bottle looks somewhat like this, and this is passion fruit rum. Wanna taste it? From the same shop, I also bought this bag, and the best part about this bag is it has a zip, so I can carry this bag on my next beach holiday. And also because it's a tropical country, so tropical flowers, and I just had to buy something, so I bought these clips. I'm a shopaholic. We also bought a couple of magnets for our fridge, and my hubby is scared that I might ask him to buy a new fridge for the amount of magnets that I buy. Their national bird is dodo. Yes, you heard it right, dodo. So I bought this rum bottle from the duty free at the airport with dodo inside, just because I found it attractive. It's just for the aesthetic purpose of my house. Talking about duty free, ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है कि मैं कुछ और ना खरीदूं? Well, I bought some perfumes for myself, and we realized that their duty free is quite cheap as compared to lot of other countries. So I just bought my regular perfume, which is this Jean Paul Gaultier. I always keep this in stock. Then I bought this Gucci Guilty because the Guilty that I have has a different bottle. So I found this attractive, so I picked this up. Also, I am addictive to hand creams, so I bought this hand cream. Let me just show you. Love this hand cream. Just a nice smell. Also, we saw these sample rum bottles at the airport, which we picked up. So if you want to have it, you need to come over. Okay, now one last thing that I picked up from the airport is my Bulgari perfume. I did not have this. I happened to see it for the first time at the Mauritius airport, and I had to pick it up. Do you want me to do the unpacking with you? And do you want to see this bottle? Do let me know. Well, that's all that we purchased from Mauritius. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do let us know if you want us to make some special videos for you guys. The link to our Insta and Facebook account are given below in the description. Do follow us there for regular update. So until we meet again, it's adios, tata, bye bye, love you all.